This is auto fireman. Compared to the other car extinguishers, it goes up the beaten track. Let's see what exactly it can do. Generally speaking, car fire always occurs firstly around the engine. Usually, the driver cannot notice in time, and the situation becomes more serious. Ten minutes passed. The situation will end like this. If you have auto fireman, the situation will be completely different. Now I'm installing an auto fireman in the engine compartment. The two magnets will be attached to the engine compartment. The installation is within 30 seconds. Not only the installation is fast, but it also can put out fire quickly. When the temperature in the engine compartment is up to 600 Celsius, the built-in sensor will detect the high temperature or open fire. It will activate the auto extinguisher and start to release the extinguishing. The car fire can be put out within 30 seconds.
Car washing was a big trouble for many people. It is time-consuming, labor-consuming, and it cost money. Actually, that is not true once you have Norshire at hand. Norshire may be the world's first smart multifunctional car washing kit, making car washing easy, fast, and free of charge. The water source could be directly from a water bottle or external sources such as our foldable water bucket. It takes only 15 seconds to set up and 10 minutes to complete the car washing, saving 80% of the time. The cleaning process is neat and easy without making a mess. Norshire is very compact in size, but can be kept in the trunk for everyday use. No matter how wild your trip is, your car will always remain tidy. Norshire requires no external power. Get fully charged within 3 hours through USB charging port. Norshire could serve as a portable jump starter. It's also a power bank for your outdoor usage. It can also be used as a warning sign. Norshire has 3 preset modes for various situations. You can easily switch from the water spray gun to spray brush. Norshire, one kit for every car owner.